construction lines. If you want to sketch, press S on the keyboard for a shortcut key. Press there for our sketch. Choose our sketch plane. We're going to go on the front. Click N to go normal 2. Click P to hide the planes. And let's say we're just going to go for a center rectangle. So R on the keyboard. Click on the origin. Drag out. Let's make it 100 by 100 with the quick dimensions, and we have a constrained sketch. Now perhaps we want to add a I don't know, a cutout to this. We could go up here and we could take our line. Let's say we're going to go for just a random cutout like this. You would obviously then dimension this. I'm not going to dimension it just because of time constraints. I could then go and use my construction or Q on the keyboard. I could click on here, make that construction, here, make that construction. I could then potentially go back and draw over this line like so, and over this line like so. That will make that piece then solid, and I can then, if I want to, extrude this up. And then I've got a cutout, but I've still got my original square for dimensions. That's probably the most useful way you're going to use construction line. You might use it for things like mirror as well. You'll find it comes in very handy with more complex geometry.